You just scored a zone ball goal. Where are you going?
Taught me! Sir.
First lady of zone ball, right there. There she is.
Delicate flower.
Oh man. Oh, get up in the air, yeah.
Getting chest.
Hold on. Oh no.
Back her up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Give her some room.
Seriously. Oh.
Sugar!
Oh, here's a shot. Oh!
Almost went right from the face.
1, 2, wait, 3. Oh!
Sorry, that was 3. My bad.
That's 1.
Oh.
2. 3.
Oh, damn.
2. Reset up here. Oh, look at the pass! Oh!
No look pass.
Brett Paul's that thing.
I know, I totally dropped it.
What was that, 2? Is that 1? Is that 3?
Baby on the field!
They could shoot.